What's up, everyone? This is Wayne. Today we're doing another update video on the Bissell powerforce helix. And like I said, this thing could get used again because not only because what it is, it's like on this machine exactly, which is it's definitely how much you expected to see exactly, which is definitely looks something nice, my opinion. Like I said, the model you can see this is a 2191. It's at least in 2022. You can see, but they are no longer make this machine like this anymore. Because you know how I expected the things I could see, because you know how I expected the things I could get used almost right this week. And like I said, this thing that could get used this weekend because you know I expected the things that you see, because you see how I expected the things that could just that is not that bad in my opinion, but because you see, you know how I expected things that I could get used almost right this weekend, and this thing got used again this weekend because you know how I expected things that could just definitely look something like my opinion. But you know how I expected the things that could get used again this weekend because you know how I expected on this machine exactly, which is technical at some point, that's my opinion. And this thing's gonna keep getting used almost right away this weekend because you know how I expected this thing exactly, which is technical at some point, that's my opinion. And you know how I expected this thing exactly is gonna get used almost right away this week. So you know how I expected this thing exactly, which is definitely how much I expected this thing exactly, which is technical at some point, that's my opinion. But you know how the thing exactly is gonna get used almost right away this weekend. And when I expected the thing like this is gonna get used almost. But yeah, this thing's gonna get used and used and used almost like quite. Yeah, and this thing will get used again weekend. This is a very nice looking machine. My opinion, this thing will get used.